Kanye West is one of the most influential figures in music and fashion. Starting with The College Dropout, Kanye reshaped hip-hop with groundbreaking albums, pushing boundaries with every project. Complex, controversial, and always visionary, Kanye continues to leave an undeniable impact on culture worldwide. Set behind the ultra-exclusive gates of Beverly Park North, Kanye's $35 million estate is a masterpiece of modern design by architect Richard Landry. Spanning 20,000 square feet with 11 bedrooms and 18 bathrooms, the property features a 6,100 square feet guest residence connected to the main house by a futuristic steel bridge. With a lap pool, plunge pool, paddle tennis court, waterfalls, and sprawling gardens across 6.78 acres, it's a secure, private world built for a creative giant. Follow House of Celebs for more celebrity homes.